Let's get you super festive holiday lip art. First, take a blue liquid lipstick or even a blurple and cover all your lips with it. I overline them slightly once again for lip art. You don't have to. After you've got that blue background, use a nail art brush dipped in black liquid lipstick and draw a set of strings on your top and on your bottom lips. I'm drawing 3 strings on top and 4 on the bottom. You can do 3 and 3, for example, whichever your lip shape is more comfortable with, because obviously all lips are different. Then take a small eyeshadow brush and a duochrome blue to purple eyeshadow and start putting this eyeshadow in the spots where the holiday lamps will give light. Then take a clean nail art brush and a set of liquid lipsticks of lighter colors. So a rainbow assortment of liquid lipsticks, but they all need to be light so that they stand out against the dark blue background more. And then apply them in the center of the spots where you place the duochrome eyeshadow, and this way it will seem like the lamps are giving lights. If you want to be extra, you can also place the flares with white liquid lipstick. Now this is not necessary, but you can. Then use a clean nail art brush. Again, if you don't have so many brushes, you can just wipe the old one off a piece of paper and start painting the ornaments, the baubles, also of different colors. Now these, you can afford them to be slightly darker, and you will see why in a moment. First of all, under each bauble, we are placing a little bit of black eyeshadow with another small brush and blending it slightly. That way they cast a shadow, you have this 3D effect. And then we're taking a small eyeshadow brush again, and we're dipping it in metallic eyeshadows, which are similar to the colors of the baubles, but slightly lighter. And this way the baubles become more 3D, and also they have this metallic holiday finish, and they start standing out against the dark blue background more. Carve the lips with foundation with a flat angled brush like this one. Check out more lip art ideas in my new ebook and on social media, and have a very happy holiday season!